number 1 in our list is going to pay you up to $10 per task. App number 2 is going to pay you up to $40 per task. And then app number 3 is going to pay you up to $150 per task that you can successfully completed. Today in this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 best and easiest app for making money from your phone or from your computer in 2023. Every app that I'm going to show you here is going to require more work, but it's also going to pay you a bigger amount of money in a short period of time. So whether you want to make a little extra money or you want to make a lot of extra money, make sure you watch this video to the very end and sign up for any of these apps. Hey, what's up guys? It's Roladel Business again, and what we do here is to create videos showing you some of the best ways and apps to make money online legitimately. So if you like learning ways to make money, hit that subscribe button so I can update you every time I drop a new video on this channel like this. Alright, so today I'm going to show you some of the best apps to start making money. Some of them are going to pay you via paper, while some of them are going to give you product like tablets or headphones, and some are going to pay you cash straight into your account. So don't miss any step I'm about to share with you. Just follow along the video and sign up for the app that best fits you. The name of the first app in our list is called ClickClip app, and this is one of the easiest apps to start making money on in 2022 and 2023. And like I mentioned, these apps are going to get harder as I go along, but they're going to start paying you more money. This ClickClip app is one of the easiest apps to get started with because you're actually going to get paid for watching videos. Well, it's not to watch YouTube videos, but if you want to earn by watching YouTube videos like this one you're watching now, check the first link in the description below after watching this video. So all you want to do is still download the ClickClip app on your phone. Then after that, create an account, and once you're inside your account like this, you're going to start seeing videos playing on your home page which you can watch and earn money. At this very bottom, you're going to see the timer fill up, and once the timer fill up all the way, you're going to start earning coins inside your account immediately. You're going to be able to see your coins at the very top, and with your coins you can start redeeming them for some real money or start playing games with your coins to win bigger money for yourself. So once you're inside your account again, all you are going to do is to start watching videos or leave reviews. You're also going to see different things like games inside of here, or they're going to ask you for your opinion on different posts of whether they were actually funny or not. And just for answering this post right here, you're going to start earning some extra coins again. Every time you start earning coins, you're going to use your coins to either join raffle where you can win things like tablets or headphones, or you can use your coins to join a raffle and win a free Amazon gift card and win some actual cash. There are so many ways to make money inside of this app. I've actually been using this app for quite a while now, and it's one of my favorite apps because they're literally playing some of these funny viral videos you see online. It's almost like you're getting paid to watch TikTok videos. You're going to see a homepage like this. Every time you scroll down, you're going to see a new video that will make you money. Then all you have to do is to watch the video to see if your meter fills up, and once your meter fills up, you're going to start earning coins inside your account. And what you're going to do is you use this coins to either redeem free paper money to your account. As you can see, here's an article I found right here which is actual payment proof from the app. So you know all of this is actually a legit app to make money online. Now let's go to app number 2. The name of this app is called clickworker.com, and this is actually a little bit more fun because it is more interactive. What you're going to do is to come over to the official website. Then at the very top you're going to click right here where it says click worker job area. What you're going to do is to start getting paid to complete tasks for other companies and websites. So you can get paid to categorize items, to copy editing, to literally do some research, reading, or even do mystery shopping. When you try to go to a website, to go to a store, do some mystery shopping, to report back to the company and actually get paid for it. Simple and easy task to make money. So it's a little more interactive and it's a little bit more fun, and this one is available worldwide. So all you want to do is to come up to the tab, click on the sign up right here. Then you can sign up using some basic info like your name, your email, and click on continue at the bottom here. Once you are inside your account, you're going to see all the available jobs which you can do and make money for yourself. So most of these are going to be pretty simple jobs where you can literally get paid to search Google or get paid to search on Amazon. Yes, you don't ever have to buy anything or purchase anything. If I scroll all the way down to the bottom, check this out. At the very bottom they have app jobs where you can get paid to do things like take pictures. So if you have a car, you can get paid to take a quick picture of it. And if I come over here, check this out, show us different pictures of yourself and the past 5 years, which means you can get paid to literally submit pictures of yourself for over the past 5 years. Now if I scroll all the way up to the top again, all of these are very simple jobs. For example, this one right here, all you're going to do is to click click on a job, click on show details right here, and it's going to show you exactly what you're going to do right here and how much you're going to get paid. Then all you have to do is to click on start now. Then you're going to follow the directions of this page. So it's a very simple job, and they literally lay it out for you step by step. Step number 1 is to click here, and step number 2 is this one. They literally lay it out step by step, and again, you don't actually have to buy anything. Most of these tasks are only going to take about 60 seconds or even less to complete if you are submitting pictures of yourself or taking pictures of yourself. Once you're done, all you have to do is to click on send job, and at the very bottom right here, and you're going to see the balance of your account inside, as you see right here. Now I wanted to make sure it was still legit, so I just completed the task here, and as you can see right here on May 21st, I completed the Amazon search, and that we were just going over, and I literally got paid 18 cents to my account. So it's very easy app to start making some extra money right now. Once you're done, just click on jobs at the very top and complete another job. Now at the very bottom, you can see right here where it says payment details. Click on payment details. Then inside of here, you're going to be able to add how you want to get paid out of this app. So click on add right here, and then depending on your location, after that you're going to see different payment options. Right now, as you can see, I have PayPal, so all I have to do is to add my PayPal email and click on save, and they're going to start sending the payment to my PayPal account. App number 3 is going to pay you up to $40 per task you complete. Yes, you heard me right, over $40 per task. But before we continue, I do want to give you a disclaimer. I don't actually use this app myself anymore. It's what I was doing when I first got started. I was working a 60-hour-a-week job, and I wanted to find a way to make some extra money so I could quit my job. Now, if you want to see how I was able to quit my job and start making over $100 to $800 per day online, scroll down to my description and click on that very first link. It's going to be my number 1 recommended income stream, and you will see a free video training down the website showing you exactly how to get started and how you can start making over $100 or even up to $900 per day from home. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Roladel Business if you like making money. Now, the name of the number app is called inboxdollars.com. You may have heard about this app, but there's something you don't know about it. This is one of my favorite apps to start making some extra money, and if I go to my money tab at the very top, check this out. I literally just cashed out. Now let me show you guys my recent payment, my activity redemptions right here, and let's go to the last 30 days right here. As you can see, I literally cashed out earlier this month on the 10th. I cashed out $50, $15 and $10 to my PayPal account using this free app. Before asking again, the name of this app again is called Inbox Dollars, and inside of here you can start getting paid to do so many different things. You can get paid to complete surveys, you can get paid to watch videos, you can even get paid to go shopping or start using magic receipts. There are so many ways you can start making money right now inside of here, but the way to make the most amount of money is by completely free offers. So what are you going to do is to click on offers right here, and then at the very bottom where it says 100% free, click on free offers right inside of here. After that, you're going to see different apps and services that you can try and get paid for. So for example, if you want to try this app right here, it's basically a game app that is going to pay you $25 in cash for downloading the app and completing up to 70 levels in 24 days. So you're going to have a task to complete in order to get this cash back in your account. But you can see it's all actually legit apps. I just showed you my actual payment proof, and that's literally all you're going to do through this 100% offer, picking on any of the apps that you see inside of here. You can see some of these apps are going to pay you even up to $40 in cash back, but you do have to complete the task, and they're going to let you know exactly what you have to do inside of here and the 3 things you need to do in order to get this cash back. So once you're ready to get started, just scroll down to the bottom right here and enter in your phone number, so that way they can text you the special link to the app on your mail, and they're going to send you a special link to this app right here that's going to be tracked to your account. So they're going to know that you actually click on the app that you downloaded and that they got to credit your account for this task right here. You can see the available devices at the bottom right here, so you can do this on iPhone, an iPad or an Android. And again, all you have to do is to enter in your phone number to get started. Once you completed the task, scroll to the very top, click on rewards right here, and then inside you can redeem your money for a free gift card to some of your favorite stores like Amazon or eBay or even Nike, depending on you. But if you're someone like me, you just want to redeem free PayPal money to your account, so click on PayPal right here and select the amount of money you want to redeem depending on how much money you have in your account. After that, just click on reward right here, then log into your PayPal account. You're going to see that Inbox Dollar just sends you some free money through your PayPal account. Next, let's jump into app number 4, and like I always said, the name of this app right here is called usertesting.com. So on this app, you're actually getting paid to test out 3 websites and apps from some of the biggest companies around the world. So all you have to do is to come over to usertesting.com, and at the very top, click right here where it says pay to test. Then scroll down to the bottom right here and you can see exactly how it works. So number 1 you need to do is to apply. Once you're inside, you're going to browse through all different tasks and apps, and once you see one you like, you go ahead and click on it, test the app, and once you're done, you're going to start making money. So check this out. You're going to get paid $4 for every 5-minute test. You're getting paid $10 for every 20-minute test, and you're going to earn between $30 or even more than $20 for actual live interviews. So there is going to be so many different ways to make money just by testing our apps, and here is exactly the way it's going to work. Once they actually send you a test, it's going to look just like this. All you have to do is to click on begin test right here. Then they are going to ask you basic questions. So for example, click on somewhere where you might see inspiration. So all you have to do is to scroll down, and you're going to look through the website and find somewhere where you can find inspiration. So right here, I need an inspiration. Click right here. Then at the bottom, click on continue. Then you're going to go to the next part of this test. Click on begin right here, and it's going to ask you right here, what does this page make you feel? So all you have to do is to look through it and start filling out all of these boxes right here. What it makes you feel, whether it is disgusted, angry, and sad. Then after that, go ahead and click on continue at the bottom, and once you're done, they're going to send the payment straight to your PayPal account. So check out this recent payment from the app right here. It was literally just posted at the ending of this last year in September. So this website actually works. Now guys, I saved the best for last in our list, and this app is going to pay you the most, but it's also going to require the most amount of work. So the name of this app right here is called airtasker.com, and the way it works is you basically get paid to complete tasks in your local area. Anytime someone is a task completed, they're going to post it on this app. Then you can apply for the task and get paid to complete it. These are very simple tasks. Things like cleaning up, removing furniture, assembling furniture, doing handiwork, or even home and gardening. Literally just anything, any task that you can complete, you can start getting paid for it. So all you have to do is to sign up to this app. Then at the very top, click on browse task right here, and this side of here you're going to see all the tasks you can complete and how much you're going to get paid for every task. So for example, this one is going to pay you over $200, and what you're going to do is to help somebody move their bedroom. It's going to be about 2 hours of work. You can see it right here. So all you have to do is to click on the task, then you can actually make an offer for the task. So some people are going to do it for $20, but maybe you live close, it's not so far from you, so you're willing to do it for more than $50. You can outbid somebody else and win this job by simply outbidding him, and you can see all the details all at the very bottom at the right here. And exactly what you're going to do is the location when they want it done. All of the details are going to be inside of here. So all you want to do is to start looking through all of these tasks. Some of these are going to be very, very simple, like editing photos. And if I scroll down to the bottom right here, you can see this guy needs help assembling the computer, and they're going to pay you $100. Check this out. Now, if you're someone that knows how to translate, you know how to speak a different language, you can literally get paid to translate. So there is going to be so many things you can do, so many simple tasks, and all you have to do is to click on the task, make an offer, outbid the other people, and start getting paid. Thank you guys. That's going to be it for this video. Those are the top 5 best apps you can use to start making money online today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You got some value from it. If you did, hit that like and subscribe to Roladel Business. Check out all of these free videos I posted showing you some of the best apps and websites to start making money online. So go ahead and click on the next video. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.